Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Rory. And in this week's vlog, we're known for doing BMWs, but did you also know we do wheels for everything?
With the weather now turning, it's getting much colder and we are officially approaching winter. I don't want to quite say it's Christmas yet because that sounds ridiculous, but we're nearly there. And we see a lot of cars come through the door, but not all of them are quite as prepped for winter as this Defender. This is a Defender OCTA, so it's quite a special edition that they made. It's actually got the 4.4 litre V8 from the M5 in it. So it's a really cool option. And the other sporty Defender is obviously the supercharged V8. So the difference in the two cars is quite crazy, especially in the sound. Now that we've put the Quicksilver exhaust on it, this car sounds absolutely amazing. And it's sad to think that this is the same engine that you get in the M5, but we can't seem to make an M5 sound anywhere near as good as this Defender. So take a listen and let us know what you think.
Since a kid, now I got us full of kids. Where I keep money is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got us full of kids. Where I keep money is sick, keep making that money flip.
So in the bay behind me this week, we've had this Porsche Macan 4S in for a bit of a tidy up. Now, the customer has got this from the dealership and it has had G-Tinted Platinum already applied before they got the vehicle. Now, the bead has dropped off a little bit, so we've applied XOV5 over the whole exterior paintwork surface and it's now looking really good. Hopefully it's going to see them through for another couple of years with the beading and the performance as a coating should be. So have a look around the car and let us know what you think.
I've been on go since a kid, now I got us full of kids. Where I keep money is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got us full of kids. Where I keep money is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got us full of kids.
So the Motech wheel range is pretty much known for doing BMWs, but we do everything from VWs to Defenders. There's a bit of B-roll coming up now with some of our personal favourites, 992, R8, Minis and things like that. And we've also done a set of wheels that are a bit different that we'll talk about in a minute. In the B-roll, you might have spotted Kenneth's Aston Martin. That was done in the Goodwood green that we actually had under display at Gravity. And he reached out very recently about another special project he's got on the go. It's a Corvette for a Corvette dealership. I'm going to pass it across to Kenneth now. He's going to walk around the car and show you some of the modifications, including the wheels. What a stunning looking car. Let us know what you think of the Corvette on the Neodyme 2021 MWX wheels.
So welcome to Absolute Motors in the Netherlands. We have something special for you because in collaboration with Motech, Yeah, we have built a Corvette. This is the first time Motech has delivered wheels for a Corvette, but also for Absolute Motors, it's the first time we have customized a Corvette. This is also in collab with Hayden Automotive. Hayden Automotive is the importer of Corvette for the Benelux, and they gave us the opportunity to build something special. As you can see, the Motech wheels make the car. Originally, the car was gloss black. We have stealthed it with PPF from X+ Stealth. Gives the real Batmobile vibe, if you ask me. Combined with the golden wheels, it's perfect. We lowered the car with the KW suspension kit and it's ready to go to the dealership. But before it goes back to the dealership, we need to show you some details on this car. Yeah, as you have seen, the wheels are finished in neodyme gold, and we also finished the Corvette lettering in neodyme gold and the Stingray. Because it's a Corvette Stingray, we finished the Stingray in neodyme gold. It's time to bring it back to Hayden Automotive.